Something that's always relevant in the Shiba Inu ecosystem is the burn rate. And we're going to talk about that in this video. It is something that you need to be aware of. Welcome to ClearCryptos. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing below. My name is Austin Hilton. I create content here for the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. I also have a YouTube channel of my own. It's under my name. So if you want to go check it out, you're more than welcome to do that as well. But also there's other content creators here on ClearCrypto creating content as well with one goal: to help you just get more information, make better decisions, be more informed about crypto. And if you're interested in what ClearCryptos is about and what it's going to be, what's coming in the future, there's links in the description below. Check them out. But I'd highly recommend you go join their Discord, because that is a extremely active community with some fantastic moderators, a great positive experience, and all information, updates and new announcements are going to be going through the ClearCryptos Discord channel first. Okay, so check that out. Okay, so with all that said, I want to show you and kind of jump into that the Shiba Inu burn rate has spiked 250+% after a massive $312 billion SHIB whale purchase. Pretty interesting. Okay, so the burns are always interesting to me, and what are they doing and what's going on. And we've been really doing really well. Now, if you're not keeping up with kind of the burns, there's a couple of different burn initiatives. There's one that's over at burn.shibaswap.com. Okay. This is actually an officially sanctioned burn portal. That's really what it is. That also gives you the ability to earn rewards through it. So I highly recommend you check it out. It's at burn.shibaswap.com. You connect your wallet and you can go check it out. And there's a lot here. You can click on this learn more, and it's going to give you everything you need to know about the burn portal, the rewards and things like that. So I definitely recommend you go through this, because it's really an interesting place that you can go check out if you're interested in burning Shiba Inu, and being part of the burn initiative, but also earning basically passive rewards. Then you can check that out there. Okay. So, but the burn rate is spiking right now. We've got a lot more people, getting involved. 170 million SHIB tokens have been burned just recently. That's a 250 increase since yesterday. So you can see that it's adding up daily. Okay. So, and 170 million may not sound like a lot, but it's aggregate over time. And that's the thing that you need to be aware of, is that if you're thinking about burns, think of burns happening over time, ultimately to reduce the overall supply years and years down the road as we go along. Oh, by the way, if we continue to add more users, more holders, of the Shiba Inu token, then we're going to get to north of 2-3 million holders. And ultimately that will help us arrive at some fantastic price points that will deliver some pretty good ROI, return on investment, for Shiba Inu. But I wanted to make you aware that the burn rate is spiking. This is a good thing. Make you aware of the burn portal. So go check that out. As always, thank you for your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Definitely subscribe below. Drop a like, if you got some value out of this, and definitely check out the socials, especially the Discord for ClearCryptos. As always, have a good one. I'll take care. You take care. Bye.